Today, I'm excited to facilitate this workshop, Getting Your Child Back on Track, here at Hempstead Middle School. For the first time, we'll be presenting this to a predominantly Hispanic population. And so we have a translator that's going to be working alongside with me. And so I'm so excited to really offer tips before and after parents pick up their child's report card to really understand how they can help their child at home. There are three different styles of learner: auditory, visual, and tactile learners. Our motto at Redz Inc. is building youths, empowering parents, and strengthening communities. Tonight, we saw all three elements come together here at the workshop. I felt very humbled that we were able to meet the needs of some of these parents because they came in feeling as if they did not have the ability to help their child. When you go home tonight or this weekend, log on and have your child do a self-assessment exam. Being able to offer a simple website link, educationplanner.org, where they can go online and fill out a short quiz that help them to identify what kind of learner their child is, that also gives unique strategies on how their child learns based on the result, was very empowering. No matter how bad or good the report card is tonight,
o bueno, el reporte esta noche.
Give specific,
dale instrucción específico,
and positive
y positivo
feedback. My hope tonight is that every parent, regardless if there was a language barrier, feel as if that they can do the best job that they can to help their child achieve academic success. It can be done.